Okay, so hello Diệu Linh.
Hello teacher. My name
Okay.
is Hello teacher. My name is Linh. I'm in grade 3. Uh,
No. Wait a little bit. All right. So just say hello to me. And now let's go with the test. All right. We will go one by one. All right. So don't worry. So this is the test today. All right. Level junior. All right. So the section A is speaking. B is listening. And 3 is reading. You have 3 sections. All right. So let's go with the section A. So the speaking test will have 3 parts. So first, you will have a self-introduction and describe the picture. All right, and then have the mini story and the presentation. All right, so now let's share something about you to me. Diệu Linh.
my name is Linh. I'm 8 years old. I'm in grade 3. I'm, I'm is a pupil in khoảng cách primary school in Thanh Hóa. My family have 4 people. My dad, my mom, my little sister, and me. My favorite food is fish and meat. I like my cat. This is my little bit about myself.
Okay, thank you so much. And now let's go with the part 2. All right. So now let's look at the picture. All right. And answer the questions. So look at the picture first. Okay. So now tell me, how many people are there in the pictures? Diệu Linh.
Is 4 people in the picture.
Okay. So how many cats are there in the pictures?
Is 2 cats in the picture.
Okay. So how many ducks are there in the picture?
Uh, Is 3 ducks in the picture.
So who is sitting?
Uh, um,
The girl or the boy?
the girl. The
The
girl.
girls. Okay. Diệu Linh. Diệu Linh.
Cô ơi, con nhầm
Picture.
rồi.
Oh,
Cô. Cái câu 1 là
English. In English. In English.
is 3 cats in the picture.
Okay. There are 3 cats in the
There
pictures.
are 3 cats in the picture.
Okay. Very good. So what color is the bigger duck?
Is yellow.
Okay. So how is the weather?
The weather is cloudy.
Cloudy? Okay. So tell me the color of the rainbows. How many colors?
The is 4 color.
What are they?
It is 6 color. It red, orange, yellow, green, uh, green, blue, and purple.
Yes, okay, very good job. All right. So now let's go with the mini story. So are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's go to the mini story. All right. So this is the mini story about Tony the superhero. Ooh. Okay. So Tony is a stupid guy and nobody likes him much. Kids laugh at him and others ignores him. Ooh. Okay, so is Tony a chubby guy? Yes, very good. So is Tony a tall guy?
No.
No. So is Tony a chubby girl?
No.
No. So how is Tony?
Tony is a chubby guy.
Yes, very good. Does everyone like him?
No.
How does everyone think about Tony?
Everyone don't like him much.
They don't like him much, right? So do kids point at him?
No.
Do kids laugh at him?
Yes.
Yes, so what do the kids do?
The kid laughs at him.
Yes, very good. And what do others do?
Others ignore him.
Yeah, do others take care of Tony?
No.
No, very good. So he feels like a fish of water. Ooh.
Ooh.
So does feel like a fish of water mean that you are very happy?
No.
Does feel like a fish of water means that you feel lonely?
No.
You feel lonely and not related to the place?
No.
No? Okay. All right. So one day Tony sees a superhero on TV. Ooh. So one day, what does Tony see on the TV?
Tony sees a superhero on TV.
Yes, very good. So the hero is strong and save everyone. Ooh.
Yeah.
So is the hero weak?
No.
Is the hero strong?
Yes.
And does the hero save everyone?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, mm, okay. Tony wants to be like that. I can do this. He says to himself. Ooh, very good. So, does Tony want to be like the superhero?
No. Yes. Yes.
Yes, all right. So, who does Tony want to be like that?
Uh. Uh. Tony want to be like the superhero.
Yeah, so where does Tony see the superhero?
Tony see the superhero on TV.
On TV, very good. So, okay. Does he say, I never do like that?
No.
Does he say, I can do this?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So after that, does Tony stop training hard?
No.
Does he start training hard?
Yes.
Yes. So what does he do every morning? He
runs every morning.
He runs every morning. Very good. Okay. Is it easy?
Yes.
It's easy.
Yes.
Yes. All right. He does 100 push-up, 100 sit-up, and 100 squats. So is it easy for him?
No.
No, it's too hard, right? It's hot. Okay, very good. So now let's go with the next one, the presentation. So now let's look at this on the screen and read out loud the story. Let's go.
Tony is a superhero. Tony is a chubby guy and nobody likes him much. Kids laugh at him and adults ignore him. He feels like a fish out of water. One day, Tony sees the superhero on TV. The hero is strong and saves everyone. Tony wants to be like that. I can do this, he said to himself. He He starts training hard. He runs every morning. He does 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 squats. It is touch. His body hurts. No pain, no gain. He shouts.
Yes, very good. Okay, and now let's do the next one. This is the listening, all right? So in the listening sections, we have two parts. Part one, we have the multiple choice, and part two, you have the matchings, okay? So let's go. Okay, now let's go. Write down the answers to your notebook, all right?
Welcome to the listening test. There are two parts in the test. You will hear each part twice. For each part, there will be time for you to read the questions. In part 1, you will listen and choose the correct answer, A, B, or C, for each question. Now you have 30 seconds to read through part 1. Let's start. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite. Now, listen again. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite.
Alright, so now let's listen again. Do you need to listen one more time? Are you finished?
Finish.
Finished. Okay, so maybe move on the next part, right?
Welcome to the listening.
Okay, so this is the part 2. So let's listen and correct the letter to each number, alright?
Part 2. Listen carefully and choose the correct answers. You will hear twice. This is an example. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. So, number 1, Lily, is A. Now, you will listen and match the rest.
Sao chẳng nghe thấy gì nhỉ? Sao cái này nó không có nghe à?
Part 2. Listen carefully and choose the correct answers. You will hear twice. This is an example. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. So, number 1, Lily, is A. Now, you will listen and match the rest.
Nhưng mà có cái gì để nghe đâu?
Part 2. Now you have to listen twice.
Oh,
Let's start.
here.
Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass. Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-haired boy who is holding the red car. Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree.
Finish.
Now, you will listen again.
Okay, finished, right? Yes. Okay.
Lily
let's
is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree.
double check the answers.
Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass. Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-haired boy who is holding the red car. Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree.
Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Okay, so now we will move on to reading. Okay, so in the reading test, we have two parts. The first one is tick or cross, and the second one is multiple choice. So let's go with this one. Okay, so now you look at the pictures, and you will tick or you cross. All right, if it's true with the picture, you tick. If it's wrong, you cross it. All right. So the first one,
The teacher is wearing the glasses.
so is true or false?
True.
Yes. All right. So you write one and tick to your notebook. All right. So number two, there is
There is a fish poster on the wall.
true or false?
Uh, 4.
Okay. So two and cross. So number three is there is.
Hai là true.
Okay. So you one and two and tick. All right. So what is number three? There is a
Banana cat on the wall.
true or false?
True. 4.
False. Okay. So you write three and cross. And the last one, number four.
The lamp is blue.
So tick or cross?
Cross.
Cross. Okay, so write that in your notebook. Okay. All right, and now to the next one. So it's part two. So you finished part one?
No.
No, not yet. So back. Okay, so tell me if you finished, all right?
Okay.
Did you finish? Not yet. You just write the number and the symbol. No need to write down the whole sentence. Like you write one and tick, two and tick, for example. No need to write down the whole sentence, Linh.
The teacher is wearing glasses.
Diệu Linh ơi, con chỉ cần viết số 1 và tích như thế này thôi, hoặc là số 1 và như này thôi, con không cần phải viết cả câu nhé. So you have 30 seconds more.
Teacher, finish.
Oh, finish. Very good. Okay, next one. Now, part 2. Look at the picture and choose the correct answers. Alright, so look at the pictures. Okay, the first question. Where is the teddy bear? A is next to the bed. B is on the bed. C is on the table.
The teddy bear is next to the bed.
So you write 1B. Yes, you write part 2 and 1B. Okay, question number 2. What color is the car? Is pink. Is green. Is red.
It's red.
So you write 2C.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, finish. Very good. Alright, so that's the end of your mini test today. You did it very well. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. We have two more. Sorry. We have two more. Okay. So sorry. Two more. So how many computers are there? So there is 1, there are 2, and there are 3.
There is 1 computer.
Yeah, so you write 3 A's. So number
Teacher,
4.
finish.
Yes. What is on the wall? The camera, the poster, and the mirror.
The poster is on the wall.
So you write 4B.
Teacher, finish.
Yes, okay. So that's the end of the mini test today. All right, you did very well. So good job, Linh. And don't forget to take a picture of your answers and send it to a group. Yes, class group on yellow. All right. So good job. Yes. Okay.